My job here is to find the prime factors of this number. And the first thing that I would like to do is underline, let me grab the right pen first, is underline the 24. When the last two digits are a number divisible by 4, then I know that the whole number is divisible by 4. So rather than starting out with 2, I'm going to start with 4. And 4 will go into 250 times, and it'll go into 24 6 times. So 4 goes into 224 56 times. All right, my next question is, do I have any prime factors here? Nope. So I need to keep going. So I'm going to break down the 4 into 2 times 2, and the 56 into 7 times 8. All right, I'll circle my 2's because they're prime, and my 7 because it's prime. A lot of times we circle that just so those numbers stand out, because if we get a big long list at the end, it's easy to accidentally miss a number. So let's keep going with the 8. We know it's 2 times 4. The 2 is prime, so I'll circle that again. And then finally, 4 times 2 times 2 is 4. There's my last set of prime numbers. How many 2's do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the prime factorization of this number, slow down, Mr. Burns, is 2 to the 5th times 7. All right, watch this video again as many times as it takes until you get the idea behind finding the prime factorization of a number.